Hello, today we will guide you through how to tell if your email has been read in Gmail. If you want to know whether someone has opened an email you sent, Gmail on its own does not always make that obvious for personal accounts. In this walkthrough, we'll use a browser extension that helps display read status directly inside Gmail, so you can quickly check the progress of a message you've already sent. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address. This matters because the read status will only appear for emails sent from the account connected to the extension. Before continuing in Gmail, take a moment to install the MailTrack extension from the Google Chrome Web Store and add it to Chrome. This extension works with Gmail to show tracking information for sent emails. During setup, follow the on-screen prompts carefully and allow the extension to connect to your Gmail account if needed. If the extension doesn't appear right away, refreshing Gmail after installation can help. Once that's done, go back to Gmail and look to the left side panel. From there, open your Sent folder. This is where you'll find the emails you've already sent, along with any tracking indicators added by the extension. If your left menu is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the Sent option. Now click on the email message you want to check. Open the specific sent email you're interested in so you can view its details. Be sure you are opening the actual message from your Sent folder, not a related reply from another folder, since you want to review the tracking status of the message you originally sent. After opening the email, look near the star icon for a checkmark icon added by the extension. Hover your cursor over that check icon to view the status of the email. This should tell you whether the email has been read. Depending on the extension display, you may also see more specific status information when you hover, so pause for a second to let that information appear fully. If you don't see the check icon, confirm that the extension is installed correctly and active in Chrome, then refresh Gmail and try again. Also remember that tracking can depend on whether the recipient's email client allows the message to register as opened. That's how to check if your email has been read in Gmail using the extension.